Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Omni Bio Entrance, and today we will be discussing University of Hyderabad Integrated MSc PhD Entrance Examination for the subject Biotechnology conducted in the year 2010, and I will be discussing only the biology questions. So coming to the first question, Bt brinjal is a transgenic brinjal created out of inserting a gene Cry1AC from the soil bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis into brinjal. This is served to give brinjal plant resistance against. So, it is against the Lepidopteran insects. Answer is option D, in particularly the brinjal fruit and shoot borer. Then match the following. L-tryptophan, it is for auxin synthesis. Glutamic acid is for stomata opening. L-methionine is for ethylene synthesis. L-lysine is for pollination, and L-histidine is for fruit ripening. So the answer is option A, that is A1, B5, C4, D2 and E3. The next one. Most readily transportable and mobilizable sugar in plant is sucrose. Answer is option C. Disinfectant agent to clean surgical wounds in order to control infections in human was introduced by. So it was introduced by Lister, Joseph Lister. So answer is option D, that is Lister. Then all of the following refers to the structure of bacteria except. So Bacillus, Coccus, Vibrio, they are all structure of bacteria except corny. Then next one. Which of the following bacteria are strict anaerobes? So E. coli is facultative anaerobic bacterium. Bacillus anthracis is facultative anaerobic. Vibrio cholerae is also facultative anaerobic. So Clostridium perfringens is strict anaerobe. Answer is option C. Then next one. Which of the following antibiotics is selectively toxic to fungi? So it is amphotericin B. Answer is option A. Then Borrelia burgdorferi causes the disease. It causes Lyme's disease. Answer is option A. Which of the following is not true of Neisseria gonorrhea? That is, it can disseminate in the immunosuppressed. All the others are true. Which is not true of Neisseria gonorrhea is so it can disseminate in the immunosuppressed. That is not true of Neisseria gonorrhea. Then community acquired pneumonia is caused by which of the following? So it is caused by Streptococcus pneumoniae. Answer is option C. Then which of the following is correct regarding Mycobacterium tuberculosis? So penetrates the alveoli when inhaled, destroys tissues in the lymph system, forms lesions around which granulomas form, all of the above. So all of the above are correct regarding Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Then what is the most common anaerobe in the normal body flora? So it is Escherichia coli, that is the most common anaerobe in normal body flora. Then germ theory of diseases was developed by Pasteur. Answer is option D. Where is the site of ribosome synthesis? It is the nucleoli. Answer is option B. What are the respective sizes of virus and plant cell? So it is 30 nanometers and 30 micrometers. Answer is option B. Then what cellular compartment become acidic? That is high concentration of hydrogen ions during mitochondrial electron transport. So it is the space between inner and outer mitochondrial membranes. Answer is option D. The structure pictured is the Haworth structure of. So it is the beta D glucose. Answer is option B. What happens to an enzyme when it denatures? So when it denatures, the shape of the enzyme molecule is changed. Answer is option D. Which of the following represent a test cross? So test cross is an experimental cross of an individual organism of dominant phenotype but unknown genotype and an organism with a homozygous recessive genotype. So it is option A, that is capital W into small w. Then a man who is affected with phenylketonuria marries a woman who is heterozygous at that locus. So what is the probability that their first child will have phenylketonuria? So this is the genotype of the man, small p, it is recessive disease. So small p is the phenylketonuria, and this is the woman who is heterozygous for this particular locus. So the genotype will be genotype of the gamete will be small p here, and it will be p and small p here in case of the women. So the offspring produced will be capital P small p and small p. So what is the probability that the first child will have phenylketonuria is half. So answer is option C, that is half. Then RNA molecules that exhibit catalytic activity are called. They are called as ribozymes. Answer is option D. Then all of the following contribute to promoter binding by RNA polymerase in E. coli except. So Rho factor is a prokaryotic protein involved in the termination of transcription. So answer is option A. Then next, Rubisco catalyzes the carboxylation and also the oxygenation of ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate. The initial product of these reactions include which of the following? So the oxygenation activity of Rubisco enzyme is in phosphoglycolate and 3-phosphoglycerate. And Rubisco on carboxylation generates 2 molecules of phosphoglyceric acid. So the answer is option C, that is 3 only, that is 3-phosphoglycerate. So that's it. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe.